Hello guys, Vince here again with another super fast install video. Big shout out to Extreme Online Store for providing me this part to review and install. In today's video, I'm just going to show you real quick on how to install this carbon overlay over your shifter panel. So within the Extreme Online Store website, this is part number SBC-563-BKCF. So this is what the part looks like, as you guys can see here. Very nice piece, very nice overlay. So on the back here, you have 3M double-sided tape. What I ended up doing to mine was off camera, I went ahead and just used a micro polisher with some compound, and I actually repolished this so it looks extra glossy, and I actually ceramic coated this with Adam's graphene ceramic coat. Really excited to see how this looks like in the car, so let's go ahead and put that on real quick. Okay guys, so we are inside the car. Got this all wiped down. Let's go ahead and wipe it down a little bit some more. So off camera, what I actually ended up having to do with the carbon panel, which you can see right here, what I did was I went ahead and added additional thicker double-sided tape over here, on the sides up here and on here, because the double-sided tape that came provided with the panel actually isn't thick enough. So this double-sided tape is actually a little bit stronger. I did get this on Amazon. So if you guys were wondering what this double-sided tape is, check out the description box and the link below. But let's go ahead and get this installed real fast. So what you'll do is actually insert the shifter through the top part here, and then make sure that this is all lined up. And just make sure that it's all lined up here with the buttons itself. Then once you're feeling good, feeling confident in where it sits, just go press it down by the sides where you applied the double-sided tape. So hopefully you guys enjoy and see what it looks like with the B-roll, but I'll see you guys on the next video.